Hey, cybersecurity warriors! Are you tired of feeling exhausted, overwhelmed, and on the edge of burnout? Do you find yourself sifting through endless alerts, fighting the same fires, and wondering if there's a way out? Imagine a world where you don't just survive in the SOC, Security Operations Center, but thrive. In today's video, I'll show you 6 insanely simple but powerful steps that can transform your daily grind, prevent burnout, and get you back to what really matters. Staying ahead of cyber threats with energy and focus. Stay tuned, because if you're in the cybersecurity game, this might just save your career. Step 1. Automate repetitive tasks. Let's get real. Automation is your secret weapon. SOC analysts often spend hours on repetitive tasks, logging tickets, triaging alerts, and blocking threats. What if AI could handle 80% of these mind-numbing tasks? By automating routine workflows, you can finally stop wasting precious brainpower on mundane tasks and focus on the complex investigations that really need your expertise. AI-powered tools like Cortex, XOR, and simple scripting solutions can handle the grind for you. And guess what? Analysts who work smarter, not harder, are statistically happier. Automation isn't the future, it's the now. Step 2. Introduce flexible work schedules. 24/7 coverage is brutal, and cybersecurity doesn't take holidays. But you need breaks. Imagine having a work schedule that fits your life instead of running your life. Flexible scheduling can ensure you still get your personal time, whether it's weekends off, rotating shifts, or even remote work options. Studies show SOC teams with flexible schedules have lower burnout rates and higher job satisfaction. When was the last time you felt well rested? It's time for a change. Step 3. Avoid tool overload, master what you have. You've heard the saying, too many cooks in the kitchen spoil the broth. The same goes for cybersecurity tools. Many SOCs are drowning in a sea of dashboards, alerts, and logs. Adding more tools doesn't solve problems, it creates new ones. Instead, focus on training your team to master your existing tools. The better you know them, the faster and more effective you'll be at stopping attacks. Limit tool hopping. Your analysts will thank you. Step 4. Prioritize mental health and stress management. Burnout isn't just physical, it's mental. SOC analysts report some of the highest levels of job stress across industries. It's time to prioritize mental health in your organization. Offering counseling, debriefing after major incidents, and even simple stress management programs can go a long way in keeping your team healthy. Did you know that over 40% of analysts believe mental health support would drastically improve their job satisfaction? We're fighting the bad guys. Don't let stress become one of them. Step 5. Recognition and career growth opportunities. Let's face it, nobody wants to work hard and feel like they're invisible. Recognition is one of the most effective yet underrated tools in preventing burnout. Celebrating wins, big or small, goes a long way in boosting morale. And let's not forget about career development. If you're not creating opportunities for your analysts to grow, whether through training, certifications, or promotions, they'll look elsewhere. Help them build a career, not just a job. Step 6. Foster team collaboration and communication. The SOC is often a high-pressure environment, where analysts work in silos and handle incidents solo. That isolation can worsen stress. What if your SOC team was more of a community? Encouraging collaboration, whether it's regular team debriefs, collaborative problem-solving sessions, or even rotating team leaders, helps analysts feel more connected and less alone. A strong team culture keeps everyone motivated and sharp. So there you have it. 6 powerful steps to eliminate SOC analyst burnout. Automation, flexible work schedules, reducing tool overload, mental health support, career growth, and fostering team collaboration. These aren't just theories, they're strategies that have transformed cybersecurity teams worldwide. If you're serious about keeping your SOC team motivated, productive, and happy, these steps can be the game changer. Before you go, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. You won't want to miss our next video, where we'll deep dive into how AI is revolutionizing threat detection. Stay safe, stay sharp, and remember, a healthy analyst is a better defender.